In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix scrolling timeline animation in CapCut for PC. If you've ever tried to scrub through your video on the timeline and noticed that the playhead moves but the timeline itself doesn't automatically scroll along with it, this walkthrough is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly where the setting is, what it does, and how to adjust it so editing feels smooth and intuitive again. Let's start by opening CapCut on your computer and loading up any project you're working on. It can be a brand new project or an existing one. The setting we're going to change applies across your workspace, not just to a single file. Once your project is open and you can see your clips laid out on the timeline, press play and watch what happens as the playhead moves. If the timeline stays still and your playhead eventually disappears off to the right, that's the behavior we're going to fix. What you're looking for is often referred to as an auto-scroll or follow playhead feature. When it's turned on, the timeline will automatically move along with the playhead as your video plays, so the current frame is always visible right in front of you. When it's off, the playhead can slide right out of view, forcing you to manually drag the timeline just to keep up. That can be really frustrating when you're trying to time an animation or an effect precisely. Now, move your attention to the timeline area and the toolbar around it. In many versions of CapCut for PC, there is a small icon or option that controls how the timeline behaves during playback. It may be labeled with wording related to following the playhead or scrolling with playback. Take a moment to hover your mouse over the icons around the timeline. Tooltips will usually appear and tell you what each button does. This is a good habit in general, because learning these tools will speed up your editing long term. Once you locate the setting that controls the scrolling or follow behavior, click it to toggle it on. After you do that, press play again and watch closely. The playhead should now stay centered, or at least remain visible while the timeline scrolls underneath it as your video plays. Try moving to different parts of your project and play from there, just to confirm that the setting is working consistently. If the motion feels too fast or disorienting, pause and give yourself a moment to adjust. You can always stop playback, reposition the playhead, and start again. With this setting enabled, fine-tuning your animations, transitions, and cuts becomes much easier, because you're never losing track of where you are in the timeline.